Now let us look at rollback. Like commit, rollback also marks an end of a transaction. The only difference is a rollback cancels the changes made in a transaction. In the test session, let me select the data first. 1 to 4. Then modify it. I'm going to modify 2 to 8. Now, if I do select again, I can see the new value, which is 8. Of course, this cannot be seen by others. Old value 2 is there. The reason is I haven't committed it here. Now, instead of committing, I'm going to roll back, indicating that I want to cancel the change. Rollback complete. Now, if I do select again from even this session, I will see the old data. Thank you for watching.